You want to learn DeFi by doing? MUTM is simple enough even for first-timers. Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. Introducing MUTM, the easiest and simplest way to get onboarded and start interacting with DeFi even as a beginner. Now, MUTM is on their pre-sale phase right now, and they've already gathered 14 million US dollars at their phase 6 pre-sale. You can get the MUTM token, which is the native token of the project and ecosystem, at 0.035 cents. And there are over 15,000 holders right now. Now, what you can do with MUTM is you can lend, borrow, contribute, and earn in a decentralized way into shared liquidity pools. MUTM offers a clear and easy to navigate dashboard so you can see your investments, you can swap tokens, send tokens, and also see the return on investment with the money you've invested into the token. Just click the link down in the description and open the website so you can follow along with me. When you're in the website, click the button Connect to the top right side. And once you do that, choose your wallet that you want to connect. Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Fandom, Cosmos Station wallet, SafePal, whatever you have. When you will click on it, you will get a notification from your wallet, click the connect, and you will be right now connected to your wallet. And then I want you to click on the dashboard to load the MUTM dashboard, and let's navigate through it so you can see how easy it is. When you log into the dashboard, to the top left side, you will see your holdings of MUTM, the current price of the token, and how much it will be worth when it launches, the amount of MUTMs you have. There is an ROI calculator underneath, so you know your return on investment when the project launches. And on the right side, there is the leaderboard. Now, the leaderboard are the top holders of the project and the rewards they get because they are in the top 50. Now, if you scroll a bit up, you will also see your place in the leaderboard based on how many MUTM you have. Down in the dashboard, you can even see your MUTM amount wallet transactions in a decentralized way. And this is what's amazing. Everything is on chain. There is nothing to hide or to see as fake because everything is documented on the network. Now, when you go back to the website and you see your wallet on the top right side, you can click on it. And here you can even buy crypto, swap one crypto to another, send crypto to another wallet, and even see your wallet's activity decentralized. And the amazing thing is you need minimum required knowledge with cryptocurrencies and DeFi to start interacting with MUTM. All you need is a decentralized wallet like SafePal, MetaMask, Fandom, or whatever, and you just connect your wallet to MUTM's platform and you're good to go. And it's a great way to also get educated to DeFi. Basically, it's a non-custodial multi-chain and it has instant liquidity and you have collateral deposits to secure the shared liquidity pools. And it has a simple DeFi design. And MUTM has a great and trusted community online. So whatever question you have, you can just join their community channels online and ask your questions. So if you want to learn more of how the project works and interact with it and even become, a lender so you can lend your crypto and generate a passive income from it, or a borrower so you can borrow crypto from the liquidity pools and use that crypto to reinvest, just click the link down in the description and join the project and the pre-sale of MUTM today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to get onboarded in an easy and efficient way in DeFi, then MUTM is the way for you. Just click the link down in the description and join the MUTM pre-sale today. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button so you don't miss our next videos. And also, if you still have questions, comment them below and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much, and that's all for now.